In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create email automations in Mailerlite. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to set up a simple workflow that sends emails automatically whenever someone joins one of your groups. Let's start from the main Mailerlite dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see a sidebar. Look for the Automations option and click on it. This is where all of your automated workflows will live. To create a new one, click the button labeled New Automation. A window will pop up asking you to enter a name. Choose something descriptive like Welcome Series or New LED Follow-up so you can easily recognize it later. Once you've added a name, click Start Building to open up the workflow editor. Now you'll see a canvas with a box at the top labeled Workflow Trigger. This is what tells Mailerlite when to start the automation. Click on that top box. You'll be shown a list of trigger options. For example, you might choose when a subscriber joins a group. This is great for things like welcome sequences or lead magnets tied to a specific list. After you choose your trigger type, you'll be asked to select the group you want this automation to watch. Pick the relevant group, then click Save. From now on, whenever someone joins that group, they'll enter this workflow. Next, let's build what actually happens. Under the trigger box, you'll see a small plus icon. Click that plus icon to add your first step. Choose Email. You'll be prompted to enter a subject line for this email, so write something that fits the purpose of your sequence like, Welcome to our community. Then click Design Email. This opens Mailerlite's email editor, where you can add your content, images, and links just like you would with any campaign. Take your time here to make it clear and engaging. When you're happy with the design, click Done Editing to return to the workflow. Under that email step, click the plus icon again. This time, select Delay. A delay tells Mailerlite how long to wait before moving to the next step. Choose a time, such as 2 days, so subscribers have a little breathing room between messages. Once you've set the duration, click Save. Under the delay, click the plus icon again to continue building your sequence. From here, you can add another email or branch your workflow using a condition or an action, depending on how advanced you want things to be. You can repeat this pattern of emails and delays to create a full series. When your workflow is ready, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a status switch. Toggle that switch to On. This activates your automation, and from that moment, Mailerlite will start running it for every new subscriber who meets the trigger conditions.